That's great. I would never get distracted. Actually, didn't have anything to do anymore. I should just like get in the bed probably. Alright, the sound is like loud. Wait, what is this? Okay, sure, I'm down. What is this? How to play? How much is this? Okay. You know, that worked out. Okay, I'm kind of goated, you know? What? Oh shit, oh, I goofed it. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Oh, okay, now I'm trying. It's not, the grass is not that bad. Oh, can I try again? I fucked it. I fucked it up. No! No, I was about to impress Simon, then I like started fucking up. Okay, wait. No, get your at. I should. This is the most me thing to ever. Oh no. Wait, easy. Watch this. That wasn't it? You're trolling. No. I didn't get a checkpoint, did I? I didn't. Girly, this. Shut up. No! I'm going for it again. I should have gotten the checkpoint. Should have gotten the checkpoint. I got a check. No, it's not how you get the checkpoint. Oh, what's this ending? I like almost got it first try. That's kind of crazy. What do we? No, honestly, it was easier from the other spot than over here. Doing it from here is literally just like harder. It is suck. This spot sucks to do it from. Oh, now you're down here. Oh, this is even worse. I have to like go over here. No. Yeah, no, from here it's like actually like better. Except not like that. This sucks for me. Help. Yeah, I was kind of gaming at the start and then I lost it. And then I just gave up. Oh my, you made it. Let me try again. It's already playing golf. Yeah, that's it. Well, what did I even get last time? Oh, you have more daily against me. Never mind. Simon forced me to go on. What is this? What are we? Why does it have a cute little face? What? Simon, you need to explain to me. What? You didn't even I didn't even how to play. Each food has a percentage rating as decided by social media posts. Click which food item you think has received a higher rating. Think about everything you see, the price of the item, the country, the quality of the photo, including extras. Definitely the Korean barbecue chicken waffle cone. Yeah, easy. Both these suck. Both these images are terrible. But like, it's no way it's the right one. No way it's the right one. There's no way. That looks so sad. It has to be this, right? Okay, yeah. This melted, like, this does not make it look very appealing. These fries look kind of good though. But like, with a pinned. Yeah, easy. That's a fucked up looking hot dog. Would people look at this and be like, oh, that's Dutch? That's Alkmaar? What are they doing in Alkmaar? AZ Alkmaar? Of course AZ, okay. I'd say this one. Okay, that makes sense. Where's the two pickups? Definitely this one, right? Yeah, yeah. It was easy. Grimsy down. Ooh, this old, these, okay, it has to be this. No, you're trolling. That looks so much better. Nah. I'd say the pizza, but like, yeah, okay. These look kind of nice though. Oh, but like, yeah. Cool, the canard. Lemon tart. I kind of vibe with this lemon tart though. Yeah, the sweet, yeah. Okay, I mean, that's not bad. Simon, gotta, oh, you do next. I gotta guess the angle. That's like 98. Wait, what is, how does this work? Oh wait, it's like more than a 90-degree angle. It's a bit more. How much more is a bit more? Oh, oh, I was close. That's not bad. Transgender, lesbian, furry, Northernlion in like 5 years. Yeah, I could see it. That's a fucked up looking hot dog, Ivy. Wait, what do you mean $2? Bratwurst. It's like pounds. 250 pounds. What is this fucked up looking thing? Guess the game? Okay. Oh, what? No way I get this one. This tree texture though. Like something safari. Safari Adventures Africa. Yeah. No. Oh no, this is like, is it like the fog? Is it, what game has the, seems like artsy game with these do look no, I don't know what this looks like. Advanced Wars game. What? Xbox One PC? What do you mean fake games? I don't know. I'm never getting this ever. Yep. It is some fucked up simulator. Farmscapes. This would be called Farmscapes. It is some fucked up Stardew Valley. 2018. Emma at the farm. What are these games? These games are not. These games don't exist. My farm. This would be called My Farm. No, it's like a fucking. It's like not a farming game. It's like I don't know. I don't fucking know. Townscaper. Grave. Oh wait. Spellcheck. Okay. Press the audio button to hear the words and read information.
Amphibian.
Amphibian? I just gotta spell it? Is it like that?
Shoe. A noun meaning an outer covering for the human foot. Heartthrob.
What now?
Heartthrob. A noun.
A heart?
Heartthrob.
Like, as in like... Like that? Oh, okay.
Whisk. A noun meaning
Whisk.
scraped. A verb meaning to remove from a surface.
It's easy. Spelling. What? Oh, wait, that was the easy. Oh, wait, hold on.
Invincible. A adjective meaning capable of being overcome.
Invincible? Did I spell correctly? Fuck, what did I write? What point did I get wrong? I didn't see.
Menial. Menial.
Menial, like this? Okay.
Rebuff. A rebuff. Rebuff. A verb meaning to reject or criticize sharply, snub. Rebuffer originates from Middle French, drawn from the Old Italian rebuffare meaning reprimand. Rebuff. A verb meaning to
It's not just this, isn't it? No, I don't know.
Realtor. A collective.
What?
Realtor. Realtor.
I don't know.
A collective mark meaning used for a real estate agent who is a member of the National Association of Realtors. Realtor.
Realtor?
A collective mark meaning
Fuck you.
rectitude. A noun meaning
Rectitude.
the quality or state of being straight. Originated from Latin rectus, meaning straight or right, through Middle
That's
French.
not it.
Rectitude. A noun meaning the quality or state of being straight. Originated from Latin.
Not me. I have nothing to do with being straight. Yeah, I didn't want to get that one correctly.
Marmalade.
Marmalade. That's the shit that one bear eats. Well, how do you spell marmalade then? I don't know. Oh, marmalade. Oh, fuck you.
Offspring. A noun meaning
Offspring. Okay. Just like this? Oh, that's easy. You're so bad.
Clarity.
Yeah. Wait, what?
clary hue. A noun meaning a light verse quatrain, rhyming A-B, and usually dealing with a person named in the initial rhyme. Clary hue.
What? Clariu? Clariu. This is some fucked up one. I feel like it's some shit like I feel like it's gonna be like that.
Clary hue.
Even though it doesn't sound like it. It's gonna be some shit like that because it's stupid. Clara. It's not that.
Clary hue. Clary hue.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Rubicon. A
Rubicon.
noun. Rubicon. Rubicon.
Rubicon.
Rubicon. A noun meaning a bounding or limiting line, especially one that when crossed commits a person irrevocably. Rubicon.
I don't know,
Cotswold.
man. What?
Cotswold. A noun meaning any of an English breed of large, long-wooled sheep.
How are you? What was the correct? Oh, it was just vincible. Oh, it was a rebuff, not robuff. Oh, O-R, not E-R. That with an I. Okay, I'm bad at those. This one, I'm stupid for. Clariu. Oh, with the W makes sense. I was never gonna get that one. Rubicon. With the C and the O. I took the Germanic. I was like, it's like cuts. What's this? Next one? Bandle. Dude, I'm not getting this one ever. I don't know any. Space. That sounds familiar. I do know it. I don't know what it's called though. Like I don't know what it's called. What do you even guess? I even guess. I don't know. What was it? Oh it's just my name. My sister listens to this sometimes. I didn't know that's just what it was called. That one was reasonable, actually. That one was actually possible. Time guesser? What is this? The year? Well, place pin and map. That's the fucking Eiffel Tower. It must be like somewhere around here. When? 2005. Based on? Nothing. Oh, it was way early, way older. It was on the other side, actually. I was thinking it was the other side, though. Wider, because it's like, doesn't look like this area. Where are we? That's Sanda? Yeah, that's Sanda. Guys, I don't know flags. What is that? Is that vertical? It's like somewhere we in this region. What was it looking at? Plop it in the, maybe not in the center. When? Fucking, I don't know. It's like, I don't know, man. When is this? I'm just better, actually. I'm just better, actually. Ignore that I didn't actually guess the region myself. That I got help with that. But the year, I nailed the year though. Fucking, what is this thing again? Cathedral. Congreso de Tucumán. Is it like Mexico? Is it like down? Is it like, that's not Europe. It's not. It's not. It's definitely like over here, but that's also not America. It's also not U.S. And this is a fucking obelisk. Like, I feel like it's either like Brazil or like Mexico or like down here or like, nah. I feel like, is it yellow enough? It's kind of, yeah. That's just my PC actually. Nightlight, I think. Buenos Aires. That'll do it. See, I don't remember where it is. It sounds familiar. I'll give it that. I definitely sounds familiar. Like, I've heard of it before. Do I? It's on screen. Wait. Was it on screen or is it on? Wait. Not anymore. Did I fuck it up? No, I was zoomed in more, right? Where was I then? Oh, there. Okay. On it. When was this? 82. That's, oh, that doesn't look 2011. I don't know, man. The only year I can guess was the other one. That does so not look 2011. What do you mean? That looks so much older. This looks like this looks like 90s. Where's this? I don't fucking train. Sick ass train. So when I look at the cars, I don't know shit about cars. This is also somewhere down here, right? I feel like, no, maybe not. No, I feel like it is. I can't. I don't know what that says. It's somewhere. This is your backyard? I don't think it is. I mean, I don't know. What's the year though? The year is 92. It was 2003. It was up here. Bear! I feel like I've seen this picture before. But this is a black and white picture. I've seen this picture in like a history book before, I feel like literally in school in a history book I've seen this before. Balikan bear emoji nipek. I feel like East Europe, right? Manitoba? No. Right, that's what I remember it from, Judeo. Oh, that's what I remember it from. I don't know geography. I feel like, wasn't it like Russian though, where like the bear thing came from? I feel like I remember like Russia, but like that might be like a false memory. How am I supposed to know this? Whoa. It could be Germany. Actually, maybe. I don't know. Where is this? Manitoba. Or it could be, I don't know. I don't think it is. Is it? I don't know. I don't know. Mannheim. I should probably give up on getting an exact. Is English in the picture? Well, yeah, I guess you're right. I mean, that doesn't necessarily mean. I mean, I guess back then they were like, it was like less the other side of the pond to here. You mean this pond? Like here? The pond? The pond could be any fucking body of water. You can't just say pond to refer to the Atlantic Ocean and expect me to fucking understand. No? Not a single person ever. It's a bit bigger than a pond. No, I don't know what the fuck the pond is. Everyone does it. I have not heard someone do that before. Everyone says that? No? I've not heard that before. A pond is a small, still, land-based body of water formed by pooling inside a depression, either naturally or artificially. Fuck you. I don't know where I don't care. I don't care. This was 58, I don't know, 69, also fine. It was up here. Winnipeg. Oh, cause right. That would make sense. If I was not like 2 a.m., I would have done better on that one. Actually, if I had like used my brain on that one, I would have done a bit better. Oh, what is this? No, I'm not doing more geography stuff. What is this? South Africa. Okay. Why is it yellow? What am I doing here? Spain. Oh, that's red. India. What? Is it just like... Oh, that's not a country, it's a continent, I guess. Would it be like... That's like closer, actually, I think. I don't know what the colors... How do you spell... How is New Zealand spelled? Not like that. Wait, that... I'm Dutch brained. How the fuck... Is that... Oh, is that... Why is it... What does that mean? What's the colors mean? Oh, red is good? Bro, that's like the worst design ever. Who the fuck was like, yes, red is means good. It's hot and cold like a children's game. No, but like normally it would be red is bad, green is good. Okay, I don't care. Warmer? I didn't even read the text. I'm gonna be honest, I did not read the text yet. Where? How red does it get though? Oh, that's like a redder. Fucking, where are we? Like, no, not that. Oh. Like, I don't know. Okay. Adjacent? Fucking, I don't remember which, I don't know Eastern Europe that well. What country is here again? Poland is like up there, right? No, yeah, that's, yeah, I mean, that is adjacent. Fucking, which country goes here? No, Austria's over here. Austria's for the left. I know that. Austria's like, I've been there. Japan, shut up. Japan is not even, Japan is over here. Bulgaria, Ukraine. Czech Republic. I don't know how to spell that. I know you just did, but like. No, you're literally. It's not Cyprus. That's like down here. Cyprus is down here. That's this shit. What's this? What's above Bulgaria? It's not Cyprus. What is this shit? What is that? What is this, like a Limburg-sized country? Oh no, Limburg is like much smaller, but like, what is it up here? But what's between Poland and Russia again? Oh, that's like, I forgot the name. Moldova. Oh, that's the small one. Okay, there you go. Adjacent means touching? Next to? It just means next to? I don't know. Like up there. Cause it's a globe. That could be next to it. It's a fucking ball. You just spin it differently and that's next to it. It just said adjacent to Ukraine, right? Or do you mean to Romania? I didn't check the text on Romania. I was just talking from Ukraine. Oh yeah, I didn't see what it said in Romania. I didn't check the text on Romania. All I remember was it was adjacent to Ukraine. That's what I remember. It's the same color. So, see, it's 2 a.m. You can't expect this much from me. We're done here. World Tower Day, Dragon, no. See, this is why we can't have nice things in this chat, because we can't move on when we make a joke like that. This is not World Tower. Who has that? 10 hours! Dragon.